Hey y'all, a new budget-friendly ride option, our best-selling retro model. This is the right-hand drive version, but we can convert it to left-hand drive export worldwide. It's loaded with all the practical features: backup camera, AC, high power motor, big touchscreen, brake assist you, name it. High quality straight from our professional Chinese factory at factory direct prices. Slide into my DMs, now got an unbelievable price deal for you today.